manages games. I mean, you fail to take into consideration the plays that he makes on third down with people like Green scrambling around and threading the needle and kicking the ball. Marshawn Lynch scores. So I may not be able to put up the numbers, but he's been a big contributor to that team. Second down and 11. Wilson out to his left. That's going to take. Trying to get the first down. Back to the 40. He gained that. And while the Broncos is down, Russell Wilson is one of the entire team he plays on. He can rely on. Very smart.